Hey ladies, what night is it? It's date night. Want to find out how to get this look? Stay tuned. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. We are going to have so much fun with this look because seriously, look at those eyelids. They're huge, they're amazing, and this is going to be really fun. I'm prepping the eyelids with some Bye Bye Undereye, the tone is medium, and some loose powder by Uemura. So here is the secret weapon for the cut crease. It's a rectangular brush. Totally counterintuitive, but it carves like a charm. Lay down your lines and then blend it out with a soft, round tip brush. As you can see, I'm using both the rectangular brush and the round tip brush to really buff this transitional area out. Next, I'm going to pick up this kind of plummy color, a plummy brown, with a very small round tip, very dense brush so that I can get way down deep into that crease and start to carve out some dimension. So like the title says, this is date night makeup, and we don't want to go too crazy with extra bling, extra shimmer, glitters. That could be scary and scream high maintenance. So we want to keep it soft and pretty and feminine. LUISA does want a little bit of bling and glam, so we've compromised, and we're going to use this Jennifer Lopez by INGLOT color just under the brow bone and on the inner corners of the eye. Here comes the party. It's all about the liner and the lashes. So I love to set my angles first before I start digging into the rest of the liner. And the way I do that is by following the waterline up. Super easy trick, guys. Just do your angles, then fill in the rest. I'm about to change your life with this eyeliner brush, by the way. It's the best $15 you'll ever spend. It's by Hoko, link below. I'm priming her face with a little Porefesional by Benefit, although I really don't have to with the foundation I'm going to use because it's kind of a primer all-in-one. I love this Face Atelier foundation. It's just amazing. It's highly pigmented, it's super buildable, it can go from sheer to full coverage, and it's got an incredible blend of silicones which leaves you with this beautiful dewy finish. This concealer is by Makeup Forever. It is the Lift Concealer and the color is number 2. Super creamy, super buildable, cancels everything right out, and the shades and the tones are on point. As you can see, I just keep placing and building, and I am using a wet triangular sponge. I like the angular sponges versus the egg-shaped sponges. It's all personal preference. So I'm just setting her here with some loose powder by Uemura, and the color is Rose 3. Yes, I'm still obsessed with my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette. Why? Because it comes with 8 shades, it goes with me everywhere, it's highly blendable, and the shades are true. I just love it. So LUISA has a really long nose, and to shorten it, we're doing that, and then that. And right there, those two little things will shorten and just perk that nose right up. So this is MAC Mineralize powder, a true basic in my kit. The color is medium, and it just gives this great finished, polished look. I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite eyebrow gels by NYX. The colors are awesome and spot on, but one of the reasons why I really love it is because it's in a tube, and gels in tubes are just better. Why? It doesn't dry out as fast. It's sanitary, and it's lighter in my kit. All around, gels and tubes, I'm a big fan. If you like what you see so far, please like and please subscribe. And you can also find LUISA every Tuesday night on the East Side Dave Show on Compound Media. The link is down below. I'm using an off-white with a yellow tinge in her waterline, which is going to kill any redness and open her eyes. And we're using the same crease color underneath her eye at the lash line, nice and soft, just to create a little bit of dimension. Another must-have in the kit is this MAC lip pencil. The name is called SOAR, S-O-A-R. I happen to L-O-V-E. So we're just going to go ahead and almost all the way fill in her lips with the pencil, and then we're going to go over with a warmer, golden kind of warm tone lipstick, which I would love to tell you the name of it, but it's in this little pill box thing. Great little trick for you pro makeup artists out there. Finishing touches with some bronzer. We're going to take it down to her neck, strengthen that jawline, and she's ready to go. Yes, girl, somebody is ready for her date. And I think somebody's gonna get a second date out of this one. Because, girl, you look fly. Please comment below any questions you have, or just leave me a little comment saying what the favorite part of this video was for you. And thanks, LUISA, you're beautiful, even with a cold. And thanks everybody for liking, watching, subscribing. I will be dropping more videos really soon. Stay tuned.